ito. In behalf of the PNP, we would like to confirm categorically that as of 6 o'clock p.m. last night, there's been no arrest for Senator Bato. Okay? There's been a lot of speculation na nahuli siya and he's being whisked away to the Hague. Hindi po totoo yan. Nag-coordinate na po kami sa DOJ, nag-coordinate ang DLG, lahat ng law enforcement units. Senator Bato is still being hunted down. Okay? Just to be clear. Second, with regards to the issue of the supposed entrapment na gagawin kay Senator Ralph, kay E.S. Ralph, and eventually it leaked that it was na-target rin kami ni Vince Dizon, ni OMB Boying, and others. I would like to think that si Congressman Legarda is a better person. But to get to the bottom of it, kailangan makita natin talaga kung ano ang nilalaman ng statement ni Congressman Jing Paras, former Congressman Jing Paras. It seems like siya ang pasimuno nito, siya ang konekta sa Bugaw, ang Bugaw ang nagsabi ko ano ang plano, at ang nagbanggit lang ng pangalan ni Congressman Bibiste ay si Jing Paras. So Jing Paras is the person of interest, siya iniimbestigahan namin, and we are considering filing charges of human trafficking against him para sa okasyon na to. Okay?
Check, napag-alaman nyo ba na matagal na itong ginagawa ni dating...
NBI is on top of it, sila dapat itanong nyo. Alam mo, ang fake news ngayon, ibang klase. Diba? Ang daming fake news. In fact, tomorrow pupunta ako sa Makati para i-dispel yung mga fake news na nangyari doon. Pero fake news has taken a life of its own. Kaya to counter fake news, kayo dapat ang kakampi namin dyan. Diba? The statements have to come from us kung talaga nangyari o hindi.
Check update na lang sa operation and last known location is Senator Bato.
Mindanao area. Yes. Of course, we're always open. We're always transparent naman kung ano nangyari. No, hindi kami ganun. Wala kaming secret operations na hindi malalaman ng mga tao. We were always transparent with what we do.
Anong proseso kung sakaling ma-arrest mo si Senator?
All the proper channels, all the proper procedures gagawin namin according to rule of law.
Sir, totoo yung sinabi ni Senator Lacson na if ever na kung mahuli man nasa airport diretso si Senator Bato?
Hindi, we'll go to the process as prescribed. Okay? Huh? He will be booked. He will be made to appear in court. Then dadalhin na siya for extradition, for confirmation. Hintayin nyo na lang.
Kailan po yung, sir, yung last na...
Hintayin nyo na lang. We will come up with the details as soon as possible. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Okay.
Sek, sa akin yung isa.